Welcome to Markham Sod and Gardens, where we bring your lawn and garden to life. Using only the best locally grown sod and plants, we will help to maintain and transform your yard to your vision. From small to large and everything in between, Markham Lawn and Garden will take care of all your gardening needs. With over 40 years of experience, we will help you create a green and healthy yard. We will transform this by digging it up, removing it, putting down earth, leveling the area, and laying sod, in many cases, the same day. Did we also mention we do gardens? Markham Sod and Gardens also does planting, pruning, weeding, feeding, cutting, trimming, spring and fall cleanups, power washing, and so much more. Call us to find out all of our services and book a free estimate. Call 647-297-4278 or text Andrew at 647-297-4278.